How to fix Facebook business page. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook here. Open then Facebook and click on storage option. On storage option go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on stop and click also OK. And what's the last or the next step, guys? You have to go to this option status that make sure that this option opens supported links, it's allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.